Some of the coolest names in car history are quietly falling apart right now. Brands that defined generations, starred in movies, and won races. Today, their lots are full and buyers are gone. If you're shopping new or used in 2026, watch this first. Here are 6 legendary brands in real trouble. Number 6. Mitsubishi. The Eclipse tore up screens in Fast and Furious. The Lancer Evo was a rally monster that punched way above its price. That cool, scrappy Mitsubishi is dead. They killed the Mirage, their cheap entry car, and now only have 3 crossovers. The Eclipse Cross is one of them, and it's piling up on dealer lots. All their cars come from Japan or Thailand, so the new 25% tariffs hit hard. They even paused shipments. For a smaller brand, that's painful. Number 5. Chrysler. This one hurts. They built NASCAR legends like the 55 300, invented the minivan, and the 300C brought serious Hemi muscle. Today, just 2 minivans, Pacifica and Voyager. The iconic 300 is gone. Inventory is way too high. Reliability issues keep popping up on the hybrid, and many people now see Chrysler as rental fleet cars. Their big EV comeback got canceled. Number 4. Alfa Romeo. Pure Italian passion since 1910. Racing legends, beautiful handling. The Giulia and Stelvio had enthusiasts excited when they returned to the US, but average dealers are selling just a handful of cars per month. US sales have dropped hard. Owners love how they drive, but hate the electrical gremlins and poor reliability scores. At this price, most buyers pick BMW or Mercedes instead. The parent company Stellantis is also struggling with big losses. Number 3. Mini. The original 1959 Mini is an icon, rally winner and design legend. BMW brought back the fun go-kart feel in 2002. Now loyal fans are upset. Cars are getting bigger and heavier. The Countryman is basically an SUV, and simple controls are replaced by a big touchscreen that forces you to dig through menus while driving. Prices have climbed into BMW territory, and inventory is stacking up fast. Number 2. Infiniti. This one was preventable. The G35 and G37 were sharp, rear-wheel drive driver's cars that got huge praise. Sales peaked years ago and have since dropped dramatically, now around 53,000 units. Lexus and Genesis are leaving them behind. People call them Altimas with leather. Tech and interiors fell behind. Key models like the Q50 are gone. Others discontinued with weak replacements. Dealers are struggling, some merging into Nissan stores. Not exactly a luxury vibe for a $60,000 car. Number 1. Jaguar. The biggest heartbreak. The 1961 E-Type was called the most beautiful car ever by Enzo Ferrari himself. Fast, stunning, and special. In April 2025, they sold just 49 cars across all of Europe, a 97.5% collapse. Global sales have dropped 85% from their peak. They killed the entire old lineup before new ones were ready. Showrooms went empty. Then the Copy Nothing campaign showed 0 cars, just slogans. The internet roasted it. The new plan is ultra-luxury all-electric, starting over $150,000. But their own boss admitted most current customers won't follow. New models may be in 2026. Right now, Jaguar is barely there. Honorable mentions. Fiat bet everything on one pricey, short-range EV that doesn't fit American needs. Maserati has the badge, but values are crashing and ownership feels risky. Which brand shocked you the most? Do any of these still have a chance? Comment below. If you want more straight talk car truth, hit subscribe and the bell. Drive safe.